Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use kitchen essential, the Whirlpool WMCS3019RB countertop microwave. If you're someone who wants a reliable microwave without unnecessary complexity, this one is definitely worth your attention. It comes with a 0.9 cubic feet capacity, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office spaces. Despite its compact size, it still comfortably handles everyday meals, snacks, and reheating tasks. Let's talk power. This microwave runs on 900 watts, which provides solid performance for daily use. It's great for reheating leftovers, defrosting frozen food, and cooking simple meals quickly and evenly. One of the standout features here is the steam clean function. This is a game changer when it comes to maintenance. Instead of scrubbing tough food stains, you can use steam to loosen residue inside the microwave, making cleaning quick and effortless. It's a small feature that makes a big difference over time. Inside, you'll find a rotating turntable that ensures even heating by distributing heat across your food. This helps avoid cold spots and gives you consistent results every time. The controls are simple and user-friendly, which is perfect if you don't want to deal with complicated settings. It focuses on delivering exactly what most people need: quick, efficient, and hassle-free cooking. The black finish gives it a clean and modern look, allowing it to blend easily into any kitchen setup. It's compact, stylish, and functional all at the same time. Overall, the Whirlpool WMCS3019RB is a great choice if you're looking for a dependable, no-nonsense microwave with useful features like steam cleaning and solid performance. If you're interested, check the link in the description to grab yours. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest reviews here on Gadgetverse.